Science is advancing at astonishing speed, and so are the demands of our customers and the needs of patients. Every day, there are new opportunities for the passionate people in global operations to deliver more. More transformative medicines, more access to them for patients, more people living better lives. That's why we're tenacious in our pursuit of a smarter future. A future ready to deliver just that, more. A seamlessly interconnected network of smart factories, ready to adapt to new modalities and capable of setting new standards for speed, efficiency, and sustainability. Where advanced manufacturing technology helps us convert molecules to medicines quicker than ever before. Where predictive intelligence uses data to know what we will need, so when we need it, it's already there. Where continuous manufacturing lets our people pivot at the push of a button to deliver what patients and customers need right now. And where we can use less to create more, so we can protect our world and accelerate the delivery of life-changing medicines. We're already creating the right blend of people, processes, data, and technology to shape the building blocks for our smarter, more sustainable future. Smart technology in the hands of our smart people. So together, for our business, for our planet, and for patients who need us, we can use all our ingenuity to keep delivering more. Join us. Discover why in global operations, smart means more.